In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the billing and plan management section in Figma. If you need to review your current plan, check billing details, or manage your subscription settings, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, make sure you're on the main Figma dashboard tab. This is the primary screen you see after signing in, where your files, projects, and recent work are usually displayed. Starting from the main dashboard is important because the menu we need is easiest to access from there. Once you're on that page, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar thumbnail there. This is the small profile image or account icon associated with your Figma account. Go ahead and click on that avatar. When you do, a contextual drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several account-related options, so take a moment to make sure it fully opens before moving on. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you into the settings area for your account, where Figma groups together different preferences and account controls. If you don't immediately see the section you need, don't worry, that's normal, because settings pages often contain multiple tabs or categories. Inside the settings view, navigate to the billing or plan management section. Depending on the version of the interface or the type of account you're using, the wording may appear as billing, plan management, or something very similar. The key is to look for the area related to subscription details, payment information, and plan controls. Once you open that section, you'll be in the right place to review plan-related information. This is typically where users go to understand what plan they're currently on, make changes to billing-related options, or manage account-level subscription settings. As a quick tip, if you're using a workspace with multiple members or an organization account, some billing options may only be visible to admins or account owners. So if the tab looks different from what you expected, it may be related to your permission level rather than a mistake in the process. That's it. You've successfully opened the billing and plan management area in Figma by clicking your profile avatar, choosing settings, and then navigating to the billing related tab inside the settings page.